Hey YouTube, we're back with a video about the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Now the Model 3 has a 15-inch touchscreen that has great viewing angles, gets really bright even in direct sunlight, but has a downside of attracting lots of annoying fingerprints. Its reflective surface also makes glare a bit of an issue. Before you begin, you don't want any accidental presses on your screen, so bring up your controls. On the left select display, and then on the right select screen clean mode. Now we're free to touch the screen without affecting any settings. Now the kit comes in a handy setup. Included are your toolkit containing your instructions with just 8 steps, a squeegee to push out air bubbles, wet wipes, a dust removal sticker, and the screen protector itself held in a plastic guiding frame. Now I've already completed step 1 by cleaning the screen, so I'll go straight on to step 2 in this video here. Turning to the reverse of the frame, you're going to peel the backing plastic from the top left. This will expose the sticky undersurface of the screen protector, so make sure not to let it get dirty. Place the frame gently onto your screen, ensuring that it's facing the right way up. Once secure, run the tips of your fingers back and forth over the orange diagonal strip and wait for 30 seconds. Now you can peel off the orange strip. It's a bit tough, so give it a good go. Now you can remove the plastic frame. Peel off the second layer of backing plastic from the surface of your mounted screen protector. And now the last step, use the provided squeegee to push the air bubbles out. I found this step to be quite difficult, and to be honest, I still haven't got all of the air bubbles out as I'm afraid to use too much force. Once I turned the screen back on, however, I couldn't see the tiny bubbles and the fit was fantastic. And that's it, 8 basic steps to applying a fantastic finish. I will say that there is a downside to using the screen protector, and it's that your screen looks less sharp, a bit like downgrading the resolution of a video, so that's something to bear in mind. Having said that, I am nitpicking and the screen still looks great. And thanks for watching this video. If you found this to be useful or informative, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to be notified of more content. It really helps the channel to find a new audience. Take care.